kiddos, today we are going to do a little more work with our protractor. You're going to have a protractor just like this. The first thing you need to make sure is that it is brought to front. So you can do that by dragging it over a shape, clicking on the three dots, and make sure that for order you click bring to front. Okay? So on this shape right here, I want to find out this angle right here. So I'm going to take my protractor, and this right here, kind of the middle part of that half circle, goes right on the point of my triangle, one of the vertex. And the bottom line is lined up. Okay, so then I go up this way to my angle. And I have two different numbers. I have a 70 number and I have 110. Well, I recognize that this is an acute angle, so it has to be smaller than 90 degrees, which means it's going to be 70 degrees. So this angle right here, 70 degrees. If I wanted to find this angle, whoops, well, that wasn't supposed to happen. And I can't get the eraser to work. Okay. Oh, there we go. If I want to find this angle, I take my protractor, I'm going to spin it around, and I'm going to drag that same point right here at the top, and then I have to move my protractor a little bit to get it right on that line. Oh, not quite there. Close. There we go. Okay, so I'm looking for this angle. So this is on the straight part, and then I'm going to look down here, and again, I've got to decide, is it 140 or is it 40 degrees? Again, I know this is an acute angle, which means it's less than 90 degrees, so it is 40 degrees. All right, if I want to do, oops, this angle right here, I'm going to move my protractor around a bit, put it there on the top. It's pretty straight. There we go. Then I follow this line down, and it's between 40 and 50, or 130 and 140. Again, I know this is a smaller angle. It is an acute angle. So it's between 40 and 50, so I know that that is going to be 45 degrees. And one more time, you can watch me measure this. I'm going to do that corner of our square. I've got them all lined up, and I go straight up. Oh, that's my 90 degrees. So this is a right angle. So now go ahead and use the protractor on the slides to measure the angles.